Yo, so now we're at water blasting the frame. So me, so all the parts that I'm recording, I'm just gonna put it on anyhow. So it's up to you to guess how it started and how it ends. I just don't have time to do a lot of the editing, sorry, but subscribe and like and share and comment. Thank you very much. Appreciate your subscribing. Thank you, the subscribers that have been with me from then and now. Down here, Ruta. Down with the stand. Open the stand up. And the bottom stand, yeah. Is that way? The other way. What about in these holes here? See that hole with the boat? Do you see it? Like point it. There's a boat, there's a hole, round circle hole. Down. Left. 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 Yeah. And on the other side. Any more? You know. What about with the battery area? Is it already done? Ah! Okay, let me look. Nice. Yep, that's it. How did you like it, Mom? Is it nice? The pillow. Hi. Sappy, can you move a pillow? Move a pillow. Israel, here. Move a pillow. Okay, now you go on the top. No, kan you go anyway no on the top, yeah. Mama, I don't know.